How to viral your Facebook post. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Facebook application. Then tap on your profile icon and then make sure you have a professional account. If not, go to your profile icon and then tap on the three dot. Then next go to turn on professional mode. Set up your professional account. Make your default audience public and then after you have set up your professional account, what you will have to do is go back and then tap on advertise. Then select boost a post. And now select the post that you want to boost and then follow up all the details that it says you to and done. Now your post will be suggested to many people on Facebook and your post will go viral. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.